Nakalyang Director of Health Services, MI, Dr. Amanwar, Ulayathu Bauniu Dr. Ulayo Yoniu Coronavirus, Udayu Medical Professionals Jangka Bethany Hospital Shillong. Dr. War Ulayathu Bauniu Dr. Udayu Weniki Arpungun Kibiya COVID-19 mentak sengi. Hakaju kapor Dr. War Lapenteb baik lalong sangut ki doktor nakani gejala bayo COVID-19 kento blang yo wayu blakla no kata Dr. Sailu. Habiade bet kinases UTHS ulapenteb basan ngut kinases na di grim sebalangut na State Health Department kilangan ahau kunyang Jepang.
Dokter
nakai hospital no?
Ini di Bethany Hospital. Kini sari case kini Bethany Hospital. Iway ide staff juga RPHS Hospital. Iway na negrams, but iway di contact jong men. Ubade balong positive one thai ka apply tarik. Uni upanai. No, see, we got so many cases. Okay, and how he must contact because he has got patients there also. I'm telling sorry cases also there. There were other cases prior to that, but these has to be confirmed, and that I have told so many times that clinically they have to be managed and they have to take a decision clinically. Okay, whether it is really a positive case or whether he has any contact with any of the positive case, that has to be defined very clearly. But there were patients there, and see, it's not like last time where all the patients were in the general private ward. This time, all of them were in the isolation ward. So there is no fear that this is going to spread across the hospital because they are in the isolation. But as soon as they came in the Sari clinic, also they have been placed in the isolation.
Doctor, do you have numbers to contact the doctor?
Yeah.
The particular doctor, do you have number of the contacts?
Yes. First is his family, because as soon as he tested himself, he has gone for quarantine, home quarantine. So now we have taken him out and taken him to the Corona Care Center.